1. Know something about the type of makeup you want, if any. Look around a market or in areas where the majority of the area is black. Makeup designed for darker skin can often be found in areas where hair products for African Americans can be found, so it shouldn't be too hard to find if you know where to look. 2. Get darker, nude, colored lip liner and lipstick. For blush, if you are daring, try a dark purple. This doesn't look good on everyone, but if your skin is dark enough you can pull it off. 3. Don't wear too brightly colored mascara with black eyelashes. It can sometimes turn out wrong, and it's also very hard to get off then. 4. Do not ever buy foundation too light for your skin color. It's like when white people put on too much fake tan. You look orange, and your eyes will just look dark, so you'd look like a panda. Buying darker foundation can be okay when they match your darker areas. Check out the link description below.